Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make coconut fufu. This I am going to make it in two parts. The first part is to use coconut flour with phoenix husk, Finslum husk. I'm going to write it down later. Then I'm going to use coconut flour with the Finslum hawks, and then I'm going to use oatmeal. I'm using the oatmeal with flour, and then that's coconut flour and coconut flour with the thickener. So I am going to show you how to use them both. If you have oatmeal at home, you can use it for it. So I'm going to add water in the saucepan. Please make sure your saucepan is non-stick saucepan. If you don't have that, put oil on the bottom. So I'm going to add 1 cup of, it is 1 cup of this coconut flour, and the Fimslim Hawks, the thickener. I'm going to add it, that is 1 tablespoon. I'm going to write it down in case I did not pronounce that thing well. So I'm going to turn it, and I will let it cook. I will not just bring it out just like that. I would add water in between while I am stirring the coconut flour and the thickener. So it's just to eat healthy. If you have somebody who needs to eat healthy, coconut and oatmeal is the best option for the person instead of eating excessive calories. So I am going to stir them. I will keep stirring them, still stirring them until it cooks. You will feel it when you see that it's cooked. It has cooked and it's now sticking together. That is when you're going to bring it out. Else, what you will do, you keep adding a little bit of flour to it just to make it stick together. It doesn't draw because it doesn't have any starch attached to it. So I have finished turning them. You can as well leave your own to make sure it's cooked before you can bring it out. So I am going to use this film wrapping paper, this film wrapper, to wrap it up so that it can firm up. If you don't have it, you can use bread nylon, or you can just leave it on the plate to cool down. When it cools down, you will see that um is now stick together, and you can be able to eat the fufu with your desired soup. So I am going to add another one. I'm going to make another one. This one is with oatmeal, and this is my favorite, and I'll show you how many grams in between that you can use and make a perfect recipe for your daily meal if you choose to use coconut. So I'm going to add this 1 cup again, and then add this is about 20 grams. Yeah, I didn't measure, I won't lie, but I'm just using my initiative to know how many grams they are. So I am going to stir it and let them cook. Add water in between. So mind the kind of water you're adding. Add little water. You don't need more water in this recipe. Yes, you don't need more water. So let it cook and then stir. You will keep stirring, and this one is better. You can see that it's drawing. It's better than making it with the thickener. If you see that thickener is too whatever, you need to add more. Do you see? If you want to make your own recipe at home, 800 grams of oatmeal, 200 of grams of coconut, you will have a perfect fufu, and you will love it. If you make it, please let me know you can come on my section comment section and tell me how it goes, because this one is a little bit of oatmeal. It will draw, but if you make it with that 80-20% of that recipe I showed you, you will enjoy the fufu, and you will be hearing the smelling of, you will be perceiving the smelling of coconut, and it's drawing actually, and it's very, very healthy option if you want to lose weight and you have health issues. This is a win-win fufu recipe for you. Yes, it is ready, and I'm going to tie it as usual. Yeah. And I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. And I wish to see you here again. And thank you for watching my video. Until I come your way next time, guys. See you soon. Bye. Bye bye. Thank you.